The coolant temperature warning light is one of the most critical indicators on your dashboard. Understanding what it means and how to respond can save you thousands in engine damage. The coolant temperature warning light typically appears as a thermometer symbol in liquid or a temperature gauge icon on your dashboard. This light monitors your engine's operating temperature. Modern cooling systems use a color-coded warning system. Blue indicates a cold engine during startup. Green shows optimal operating temperature. Yellow or amber warns of elevated temperature requiring caution. And red signals critical overheating, demanding immediate action. Overheating has three main categories of causes. Coolant system issues like leaks or low coolant levels account for 60% of cases. Mechanical failures such as faulty water pumps or stuck thermostats cause 25%. External factors like blocked radiators represent 15% of overheating incidents. Understanding temperature ranges is crucial for engine health. Normal operating temperature ranges from 195 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. The warning threshold begins around 230 degrees, while the critical damage zone starts above 250 degrees. The statistics are sobering. Engine overheating accounts for 18% of all roadside assistance calls. Average repair costs range from $1,500 to $4,000. However, 95% of overheating incidents are preventable with proper maintenance and awareness. Staying informed about these warning signs and understanding the potential causes is crucial for preventing costly engine damage and ensuring your safety on the road. When your vehicle's red overheating warning light appears, immediate action is critical to prevent catastrophic engine damage. First, stop driving immediately. Continuing to drive with an overheated engine can cause thousands of dollars in damage within minutes. Turn off your air conditioning to reduce the load on your engine, then turn on your heater at maximum setting to help dissipate excess engine heat. Wait at least 30 minutes for the engine to cool completely before checking coolant levels. Never remove the radiator cap from a hot engine, as pressurized coolant can cause severe burns. Call for professional assistance rather than attempting roadside repairs. Modern cooling systems are complex and require specialized tools for proper diagnosis. Modern repair facilities use advanced diagnostic equipment to accurately identify cooling system problems without guesswork. Infrared thermal imaging cameras can identify hotspots and temperature variations throughout the cooling system, revealing problems invisible to the naked eye. Pressure testing equipment can detect even the smallest leaks in the cooling system by pressurizing the system and monitoring for pressure drops. Digital coolant analyzers test the chemical composition of your coolant to ensure it provides proper protection against freezing, boiling, and corrosion. Ultrasonic flow meters verify that coolant is circulating properly throughout the system, ensuring the water pump and thermostat are functioning correctly. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance can prevent most overheating problems before they occur. Perform regular visual inspections of hoses and connections. Look for signs of cracking, bulging, or coolant stains that indicate potential failure points. Monitor coolant levels monthly. Low coolant is the leading cause of overheating and can indicate leaks that need immediate attention. Follow manufacturer schedules for professional system flushes and radiator cleaning. These services remove debris and contaminants that can block cooling passages. Modern technology is revolutionizing cooling system maintenance. Artificial intelligence can now predict cooling system failures weeks before they occur. AI-powered diagnostics analyze driving patterns and system performance to predict failures 2 to 4 weeks in advance, allowing for preventive repairs. Extended life coolants now last up to 150,000 miles, significantly reducing maintenance frequency and environmental impact. Leading automakers now recommend coolant system inspections every 30,000 miles and complete coolant replacement every 100,000 to 150,000 miles.